think that's what's great about what you've done with the book and what you've done like with this new cert. It sounds like you're not putting the barriers so high that people are scared away.
Yeah, during my OSCP, I was, after the first time of failing the test, I was on the lookout for like, what are other people doing that I'm missing out on? And really, the only thing I had to go off of at that time was my experience from previous certs. So we're talking CEH and how much that helped me with the OSCP. The other resource was I think I was reading Penetration Testing by Georgia Weidman at the time, and the OSCP course material, which funny enough, didn't feel like enough to earn the certification. So I kept a lookout for other people that were passing it. And, I would see some maybe experienced penetration testers. I'd be like, oh, that's the easiest certification ever. I can't believe they even have it, all this stuff. And so I reached out to them. Normally your pride is just hurt and that's the end of it. You just like ignore the comment. But I'm like, again, teach me your ways. What am I doing wrong? How is it so easy for you? And oftentimes the answer was like, oh, well, I have 10 years of experience being a pen tester. Okay, well, what did you do in that time to help get you here so that I could get on that level? The number one thing that helped me through that was watching IPSec on YouTube. Before ipsec.rocks existed, which was it's a search engine that you can use to go through the videos and find specific topics, I had created that in Google Drive. I watched every single video. I annotated every tool and technique that I could find, and then I worked my way through those labs by actually participating and following along. Even if I didn't know what I was doing, I was still running the commands and building up that understanding.